Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I was looking through my mom's recipes and I came across this Pasta Fazool salad. I thought we could give this salad a try. Since I have made fried Pasta Fazool, Dean Martin's mom's Pasta Fazool, and Sophia Loren's Pasta Fazool, I will leave a link to the videos below. The ingredients you need for the Pasta Fazool salad are 16-ounce can of pink beans drained, 1½ cups of cooked and drained ditalini pasta. You can use whatever pasta you like. 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chopped green pepper, 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed oregano, dash of pepper, and some grated Parmesan cheese. For the herb dressing, you need 1/2 cup of white wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of crushed oregano, 1/8 teaspoon of marjoram, and a dash of pepper. To make this easy pasta salad, in a large bowl, I'm going to add my 1½ cups of pasta that's been cooked and drained. Then I'm going to add my 16-ounce can of pink beans. Mix this up a little bit. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped celery and 1/4 cup of chopped pepper. Mix this up. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced onion. Two tablespoons of parsley. Then we're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic salt. Now I don't usually use salt, but I do use garlic, so I am adding the garlic salt to this pasta. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. And now we're going to add some pepper, a dash of pepper I have here. It's looking very colorful. Now I mixed everything good, mixed it all well, and now I'm going to put this aside. Just put this aside. And I'm going to take my small bowl and I'm going to add the ingredients for the herb dressing, which is 1½ cups of white wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/8 teaspoon of marjoram. And then I'm going to just put a dash of pepper in the olive oil and the white wine vinegar, and now I'm going to mix everything up good. And this is what becomes the dressing. And now I'm going to take my pasta bowl back with the pasta in it. And now I'm going to add the dressing. And now just stir this up good. Oh, it looks nice and colorful. And this should make a nice side salad if you want for chicken or any kind of meat you're serving. This would make a nice side dish, or you could just have this. This would make a nice meal also. And now I'm going to add my grated cheese. You could add as much of it or as little as you like. That goes last. The Parmesan cheese. And this is how easy it is to make this Pasta Fazool salad. And especially now that summer's coming and you don't want to put on your oven or cook or bake anything, you could just put this together. All you have to cook is the noodles. But that's not going to heat up your house. It smells delicious. You could have this salad warm or you could refrigerate it. So, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in my glass bowl that has a lid. So this way I can refrigerate it, and I just wanted to mix it in the bigger bowl. But I'm sure this is going to fit into my glass bowl. The pasta salad all fit into my glass bowl, which I'm happy about. And now I have my nice lid for the top. And now we could try, Grandpa could try it warm, and then I'll refrigerate it and he could try it later on cold. Grandpa's gonna taste the pasta salad with his lunch. For lunch he's having a roasted red pepper sandwich with lettuce on toasted bread. So how does the pasta taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very flavorful. Taste the pepper, the celery, the pasta, the pink beans. Has nice, very, very nice flavor.
You like the dressing, Grandpa?
Yes, I like the dressing.
It's a very tasty dressing.
Celery is nice and crunchy. The peppers are crunchy. The little pastas are good, nice and tender. I enjoy having some type of bean salad with my lunch every day. This is a different variety of it because this one has pasta in it. My bean salads don't normally have pasta in it, but it's very good. This would make a great side dish with any dinner, whether you're having a sandwich like I'm having now or a meat meal at night for dinner. Thank you, Ma.
Enjoy.